Today we're working on a 2022 Lexus RCF. The customer wanted to install a new exhaust system and they brought us a bolt-on exhaust made from ARK. We did have some trouble removing the O2 sensors until, we found a deep socket tool. The holes that lined up with the exhaust, the CADs also seemed to be a tad bit too small, but after some modifying, the exhaust came out perfect. It not only looks amazing, but it sounds amazing too. Follow Hammer Engineering for more performance car build videos.